In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to solve inequalities. So we're going to begin by graphing our inequality. So when we have a fraction, you're going to type in the fraction and then make sure you move your arrow over to type in your variable. I'm graphing 2/3 x minus 4 is less than 5 times the quantity. I'm going to type a fraction, so fraction bar first. 1/3 times x plus 2. Now, I can use the inequality symbols on my keyboard, or you can click the keyboard icon on your screen, and here are the 4 inequality symbols there for you. Now, what you see is my graph has completely turned red in this case, right? The whole graph has been shaded. I need to zoom in or out and find where there's a vertical line. So I'm going to zoom out, and you can see that now my graph has a piece that has turned white. If you notice, there's this gray dot, and if I click it, this point will stay. So I see the ordered pair -14, 0. Now pay attention to whether this line that you see, this vertical line, if it's solid or dotted or dashed. Dashed and dotted people use interchangeably. So this is a dashed line, and that is because I used this less than symbol. If I change the symbol to less than or equal to, notice that the line changes. So if there is a solid line, then that's because there is an equal to bar underneath that inequality in either direction. If the line is dashed, then we're using less than or greater than. That means that the value where this point of intersection happens is not included in our solution. All right, so let's talk about how do we write the solution. Notice that all of the values on this right side of the ordered pair are shaded. These values make this inequality true. So 0 makes it true, -5 makes it true, -7 makes it true. All of these values make this inequality statement true. They are all greater than -14. So when I write my statement, I'm going to say x is greater than -14. And notice that my graph is covered by the same place. In this one, it decided to color them both red. I can change that color, and you can see, if I turn this on and off, that the same area is shaded. So I know that I've written the inequality statement correctly. So let's just recap this. When you are solving inequalities using Desmos, you graph the inequality, zoom out to find that point of intersection on your x-axis, decide whether the line is solid or dashed, and which inequality symbol you're going to use. If your shading is to the right, you're using greater than or equal to, and you know which one based on the line. If your shading is on the other side, shaded to the left, then you're using less than or equal to. And that's how we solve inequalities using Desmos.